Hi everyone. In the next few minutes we'll show you how to create a Linux user, add them to a group, set their password, and give them sudo privileges. All with simple commands you can copy and paste. Many new system administrators struggle with remembering the exact syntax for creating users, assigning groups, and safely granting sudo rights, which can lead to security gaps or broken setups. The solution is straightforward. Use the native Linux tools. UserAdd creates a new account. UserMod modifies group membership. GroupAdd defines custom groups, and password sets or changes passwords. We'll also show how to add a user to the sudo group. First, we create Alice with a home folder and bash shell using UserAdd ms/bin/bash Alice. Next, we add her to the developers group, UserMod gdevelopers Alice. Then we create an admins group with GroupAdd admins. We set Alice's password via password Alice, and finally grant her sudo rights with UserMod sudo Alice. To recap, we created a user, added them to a custom group, set a password, and granted sudo privileges using 4 core commands. If this helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more quick Linux admin guides.